if you do not know what dictionary is, it is basically our next data sequence in Python. So like we have so far covered lists, we have covered tuples, and now we are coming on to dictionary, which is also a sequence, unordered collection of data in a key value pair form. So dictionary is a slightly different beast altogether. It has data stored in a key value pair form, right? So similar to like an Oxford dictionary that you used to have, where you would like, your key will be the word that you're searching for, and then you would search in that particular letter, and then you will go all the way to searching that word and then find the meaning specific to that, right? The same way dictionary has a key value pair. So if you have the key, and you every corresponding to every key, you have certain values, and you can use that key to refer to that particular value or to extract that particular value. Now the difference, major difference that you see in how a dictionary is written compared to tuple and list is the curly braces, right? Dictionary is going to be represented using curly braces. All right, just let's check this dictionary out here. The first dictionary, when I said key value pairs, right? So like that's how it will be represented. A key value pair will be represented with the key on the left side of the column and the value on the right side of the column, and then each key value pair will be separated with a comma, the way you have here. So this is a key value pair, comma, second key value pair, comma, third key value pair. And then if you print this dictionary, it will show up like this: curly braces in key value pair format. Now, I want you guys to create quickly, very quickly, a dictionary which has all of your names. So basically you can, the name of the dictionary is going to be participants, and the keys are going to be the names of all of you, and the value is going to be the estimated age that you think all of you must be having. You can assign any age to anyone. Put your age correctly and then put an estimated age for everyone else and create that dictionary. A dictionary with name participants, which will have the keys as the names of all the participants and the values as their ages. All 4 or 5 of you. You have the participant list here. Come on, real quick. Everyone's attempting it, I hope. You have this format here. Use this to create that. Everything that you need is here. Be real quick about it. Lists, tuples, and now dictionary. Awesome, Asmit. So if you've done that, Asmit, I would want you to print from that participant list your own age and share that code with me. How exactly did you print your age? Output your age. Once you've created, guys, that, I want you all to print your own age from the participant list. Okay, all right, everyone. Is it done? Okay, let me just do it live here with you guys. The name of the dictionary is going to be participant, and what we're going to do now is name, everyone's name and age, right? Name and age. I'm just writing randomly, huh? Don't bother. All right. Guys, have you done this? All of you? Control enter and it's done. Yeah. Now, how do you extract your own age from here? First of all, I can just try to print this dictionary. So instead of, let me print it, and it's showing up like this, right? Yash 31, Mustafa 59, like that. Then how do you print your own age? Simple. Print. What will you do? You guys see this? Within the dictionary, the way you remember for a list, we were putting indexes inside the square bracket near the name of the list. We were putting indexes in here. Now in a dictionary, we put the key that we are referring to. So if I want my age, I have to give my key. So I've given my key Yash here. If I want Asmit's age, I will just change it to Asmit. And the output will be Asmit's age, 19 here.